So yeah, all of us are back here. All three polos. James has finally got his wheels and exhaust on, and that'll be days on the road now. That's the cleanest polo I've ever seen.
The engine looks so mint.
We have 3 polos on the road.
We've got some unfortunate news. Unfortunately, James did not survive the crash. If you didn't see already, James's Polo is completely dead. 2 hours on the road and he crashed, unfortunately, and it's actually a write-off.
Polo and a curb does not mix very well at 40 mile an hour.
Then what happened?
I insured it on Friday evening, went down the road, drove fine, came back home, coming up to an island. As I went to brake for the island, the pedal went straight to the floor. I went over the island, round it, tried to turn around the island, had no brakes, and I hit the curb because, well, I was in about 40 mile an hour. I bounced off the curb. I got it home, which was like probably about a mile away. There's a massive crease on the roof. The wheel was pushed into the arch. I couldn't open the passenger door, so it obviously twisted the shell. Underneath where the bottom arm mounts onto the shell, it just rips it off clean. It's not repairable. Engine bay, down the side it's twisted a little. Yeah, it's a write-off. Yeah, the rear flexi went. Saturday we jacked it up and there was a puddle of brake fluid. It could have perished inside. It's just the outside looks fine, but you don't know how old they could have been the original, which they probably are the original.
But we're going to move on to the next project.
Yeah, so no more polos for me for a bit.
Basically, James is selling parts off this now. Most of it's going to be gone, like probably by the time this video comes up.
The engine's already gone. I'll show them in it. The engine bay, boot, bonnet, doors have gone. I'm not selling the wheels, or the rear suspension, or the rear beam. I've still got lights and interior. That's all for sale. Yeah, front windscreen sold.
Basically, just if you're interested in anything, message us on Instagram.
Or message me directly on Instagram, Coxie_Mark2.
Yeah, I'll put it on the screen.
Yeah, just message me on there if you need anything. The car is pretty much standard, so the interior is all standard.
Interior is like mint.
Yeah, mint interior. It's only standard, but it is mint.
If you're needing body cuts.
Body cuts, yeah, I can do body cuts. Seals are really good. The rear arches, the square bit, that's immaculate. So if someone wants clean rear square arches.
Yeah, basically we just need this Polo gone now. So
I need to go out of the way. It'll be a shell, there'll be nothing left. It needs to go.
So as you can see, engine is gone, but the real damage is down there, look. And this whole sort of box section down there is twisted. The whole car basically on that side twisted.
Yeah, crease just there, you can just see it there. Yeah, nasty.
Show them the hole up there.
Oh, there's a hole up here. And it's also bust a hole there. The
Bust a nut.
top of the yeah, bust a nut. The steering arm, the nut at the top, pushed the hole through there. And then there's a crease.
Here you go.
I'll get that. I think the camera might pick it up. Oh, it does. See the light reflection there. There is a crease. I can just see it there. Crease in the roof, and this door opens to about there, and that's it.
What it did was just straight like this. It hit the curb and it just went. And the whole of this side just like.
Yeah, this side took the impact.
Oh my god. Hey, come back here.
It dug in. I just got a face for the grass. Get out the hill, food. No, don't get on the hill. Oh god!
Rally drivers? And it's still temps so good.